denies that the holy prophets were predestined by God. Is this also the case with ordinary people?
What was the second part of your question?
Is it also the case, are our lives also predestined?
What do you mean by predestined?
For instance, when you're born, is it all
You see,
from the day you're
everything
born till the day you die? Is that already?
Yes, everything in a way is predestined, yet everything in another way is not predestined. Because what we make out of our potentials plays a very important causative role in shaping our destiny. So it's a very complex matter, you know. You can't just announce that predestiny must have designed Hazrat Rasulullah Sallam and all that he did. If that was all, then all the good people in the world, whether they are prophets or not, all the bad people in the world, whether they are Satans or not, they do not deserve either reward or punishment. Because a total predestiny absolutely rules out the justice of reward and punishment. See? So, destiny is a complex affair which is a product of an interplay of certain predestined things with the freedom of the freedom of the humans to shape their own lives and to make choices. That, you know, put together makes the destiny. It can only be referred to as predestiny in the form that it was in the knowledge of God. It would happen so. But the knowledge was not the causative factor. The pre-knowledge was because it had to happen like that. So if it were a causative factor, then it would become predestiny in the sense you are referring to, right?
Yes.
So in that way, of course, whatever happened in the time of Hazrat Rasulullah Sallam and whatever happened in the time of Masih Maud Islam and whatever will happen will be a sort of destiny, part of which will be predestined. But part of that will be destined with the interplay of our actions and decisions with the choices we are given and the way we behave here. That will be the part of destiny which is in the knowledge of God but not shaped as such by God, as a fixed something. Got it? But there is another part to destiny which can positively be declared as predestiny in human affairs, where the Holy Quran says, لَأَغْلِبَنَّ كَتَبَ اللَّهُ لَأَغْلِبَنَّ أَنَا وَرُسُلِي. God has written it. When the Holy Quran says written it, it means none can change. This is a law of destiny. That he and his prophets will certainly emerge dominant, whether through the destruction of their enemies or their gain of greater following. Either way, they will be dominant. Now this is a predestiny. None can change it. It acted at the time of Noah. It acted at the time of Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad Rasulullah Sallam. So will it be operative at the time of Ahmadiyyat. Because there is no exception in that. That is predestined. So, which means that certain things which make the complexion of an age, which we think happen accidentally, do not happen accidentally. The laws of nature are so organized and directed by God to produce certain things and situations which would be helpful for the ultimate realization of their destiny. So in that way, MTA, I believe, makes a part of it. Television was invented and everything was done as though just by chances of discovery. But when you find it written in the New Testament as well as in a prophecy of Hazrat Masih Maud that a time would come when electric rays or radiations will be used to convey messages of truth and people will see each other across, then that indicates that this was not accidental. And it had to be a part of that predestiny, that this will be used to assist the final Islamic phase of struggle for domination over the rest of the world. And this MTA is predestined in that sense. Right? And also I can bear witness myself, the way we entered into it, appeared in the beginning as if a few chances were happening to collude with each other, unconsciously of course, but to collude with each other to lead us into this. But when you look back at the whole course through which you have come, it's impossible for hundreds of chances to always fall in right steps to produce the result that we are now witnessing ourselves with the grace of Allah. So it is a predestiny, there is no shadow of doubt about it. Right?
Yes, thank you.